Good morning, student. Myself Hansa, and today we will start chapter 3rd of class 10th mathematics, and the name of the chapter is pair of linear equations in two variable. Today we will solve the linear equation in two variable by graphical method and its condition. And we know very well a1x plus b1y plus c1 is the standard form of a linear equation in two variable. This a1, b1, c1, a1 is the coefficient of x, b1 is the coefficient of y, c1 is constant for equation first, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is linear equation into variable. The second equation, same, a2 is the coefficient of x, b2 is the coefficient of y, c2 is constant term for the second equation. First find ratio of the coefficient of x, a1 upon a2, and coefficient of y, means ratio of the coefficient of y and the ratio of the constant term c1 upon c2. If a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2, then solution is unique. Unique mean has only one solution. What is the meaning of has only one solution? Means there will be only one value of x and one value of y. Second, graphically they will intersect. At one point. Means when we draw the graph of two lines, then they will intersect one and only one point, and that point is the solution of two equations, and which is same, or we can say common for the both. And the third, the solution is consistent. If the solution is consistent, then the value of x exists, mean possible. Graphically, when we draw the graph, here is graph, this is origin, right to x, left x dash, y, and below y dash. This is the line for the first equation, mean a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and this one is for the second equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is the value of x and y which exist in ordered pair, and this x and y is the solution for both equation x and y. And for example, we will take the example. Two x plus 3y is equal to 5, x minus 2y is equal to minus 1. Here is minus and this is plus 1 equal to 0 or equal to 0. Or we can write also minus 5. We can also write in what form? 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, or x minus 2y is equal to minus 1. First we find a1. This is equation number first, this is equation number second. Is it clear? We can write also in this form. Here is equation number first, equation number Second, A1 is equal to 2, B1 is equal to 3 and C1 is equal to minus 5. First equation between A1, B1, C1. This is second equation, means A2. Here is nothing. That means 1. A2, B2, C2. So what is A2 is equal to 1 and what is B2? Minus 2. What is C2? 1. Find. What we have to find out? A1 upon A2. What is A1 upon A2? What is the value of A1? 2 upon 1, comma. What is B1 upon B2? B1 upon B2 equal to, what is B1? 3. What is B2? Minus 2. Then C1 upon C2 equal to, here is A1 upon A2 equal to 2 upon 1. Then B1 upon B2. B1 upon B2, 3 upon minus 2, C1 upon. Or we can find directly A1 upon A2, 2 upon 1, B1 upon B2, 3 upon minus 2, C1 upon C2, minus 5 upon 1. A1 upon A2, 2 upon 1, not equal to 3 upon minus 2. What is 2 upon 1? A1 upon A2, not equal to 3 upon minus 2. Means B1 upon B2. It means the line will intersect. Line will intersect. Or we can say has unique solution. Or we can say consistent. This is the first condition. And now second condition. For the same, if A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 not equal to C1 upon C2, means ratio of the coefficient of x equal to the ratio of coefficient of y not equal to the ratio of the constant term. Means A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 not equal to C1 upon C2. Then line never intersect. Never intersect means they are parallel. They are parallel. And no solution. Has no solution. Second, inconsistent. Inconsistent mean when we solve these two lines, then they have no solution. Means they never meet to each other. They never meet to, वो कभी भी, they never intersect. They never meet to each other. Means they are parallel like this. First, we have to draw this one. What is this? X, this x dash and y dash. We draw the graph first equation and this is second equation and they will parallel to each other. Means they never intersect. Means this is the first equation, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. And then the condition we have to satisfy. Two x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0, 4x plus 6y plus 2 equal to 0. This is equation first, this is equation second. First find the value of a1 upon a2, comma b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. Find out. Find it. That means 2 upon 4 1 by 2, b1 3 upon 6, 1 by 2, here is 5 upon 2. It means 1 by 2, this 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 not equal to 5 by 2. This 1 by 2 represent for a1 upon a2, and this 1 by 2 represent for b1 upon b2, a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. Means this equal to this, not equal to this. Means they are parallel. They are parallel, and no solution, and inconsistent. This is the second solution graphically and condition for the parallel line. And the third one is what we will do first. Now tell me. Third one is what we will do. Find. What we will do? We will find a1 upon a2, फिर comma b1 upon b2, comma c1 upon c2. First we find a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. If a1 upon a2, this a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. If all three are equal, then what will happen? Has never intersect, means coincide, never intersect, coincide, yeah, coincident, and this will be many solution, infinite many solution, and inconsistent. It is also consistent. Why it is consistent? Because it has many solution. If we draw graph for this, what will happen? Now graph, I think you have done in 9th class also. This, put the value of x and y yourself. First we put value of x and y yourself. Where is x axis, where is y axis? You have to put yourself. This is x plus, this is x minus, and this is y, and this is y minus. This will be this line 1 and 2, they will cover to each other, overlap to each other, mean coincident, and we can say dependent also. We can say dependence to each other. Many solution, and this is consistent. a1 upon a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. For example, again, for example, 2x plus 3y plus 6 equal to 0, and then what will be the x plus 3y upon 2 plus 3 equal to 0. This is equation number first. Equation number second. And what we have to do? We have to find out what? Find, solve it after this. Find. Again I am giving you some time to solve it, but not too much. What we will do after this? Now first we find a1, this is for first question, a1, b1, c1, 2, b1 is equal to 3, C1 is equal to 6. A2 is equal to, what is A2? 1. B2 is equal to 3 by 2 and C2 is equal to 3. What we have to find out? A1 upon A2. Their ratio like this, A1 upon A2, 2 upon 1, comma, here is B1 upon B2, 3 upon 3, and this 2 will be in upward, into my 2, 3 upon 3, and this will be, goes in upward, this will cut, what is left? 2 upon 1, is it clear? And then C1 upon C2 equal to, it is common, 6 upon 3, 3 1 or A2, this is 1 by 2, sorry 2 by 1, this is 2 by 1, this is 2 by 1, 2 by 1 equal to 2 by 1 equal to 2 by 1, means 2 upon 1 equal to 2 upon 1 equal to 2 upon, all three are equal, means A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 equal to C1 upon C2, all three are equal. Then it has, what is many solution? Many solution. Graphically what will happen? They will coincide to each other. Coincidence. And third is consistent. These are the three graphically solution and the condition. First, when ratio of the coefficient of x is not equal to ratio of the coefficient of y, means a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2, means unique solution, line will intersect and consistent. Second condition, if a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2, then the line are parallel, means no solution and inconsistent. And the third condition, if a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2, all the three ratios are equal, then they are coincident, means in many solution, and consistent, mean having solution. And third part, how we can draw the graph. I think you have done in 9th class, and next step will to draw the graph.